When adding numbers, mathematicians who like to start with the bigger number and add chunks of the other number can use the open number line. Let's take a look at this strategy in action. Let's add the numbers 346 plus 145. First, I'll draw my number line, and I will start with the number 346 because it's the larger number. I'm going to move to the right on our number line because I am adding, and I'll add the first big chunk, which is 100. If I start at 346 and I add 100, I'll get to 446. My next chunk I'll add are the tens, so I'll add 4 tens or 40. If I add 4 tens or 40 to 446, I get to 486. Now I'll add the last chunk, 5 ones. If I add 5 more ones to 486, I'll make a new 10 and have 1 left over, so I'll have 491. So using the open number line strategy, I know that 346 plus 145 is equal to 491.